Up first this evening, a dramatic twist in the nation's food chain.
In the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, farmers cried out over empty fields and scarce produce.
Now, just months later, the problem has flipped.
From lettuce and cucumbers to pak choy and pumpkin, crops are overflowing and rotting in the fields.
As Sandy Williams reports, abundance has turned into waste.
In Boghole, Clarendon, the land is alive. As far as the eye can see, fresh green lettuce rooted firmly in the soil, neatly sown in straight lines and rows. Not far away, pak choy, healthy, tall, some already blooming. Young vegetables springing up with promise. But not every green field tells a success story.
Take a look around. These pale, wilted heads of pak choy are still rooted in the soil, but they're already written off. Farmers here in Boghole say this entire field of pak choy was deliberately burnt, not because it failed, but because it produced too much, and now acres of food lie abandoned.
Nearby, the sheen has already been reaped, waiting, hopefully for a market. For farmer Patrick Blair, the problem isn't production, it's survival.
Since the hurricane, farmers in this era went out trying to beat the system, but the system beat us. Sorry, because what has happened, there are people who supply the hotel and they normally come in this era to purchase vegetable crop. But ever since the shutdown of some of the hotels, the things kind of slow.
The cost of farming, however, hasn't slowed at all.
And it is 50,000 a acre for land preparation. That's ready to plant. And it's about $10,400 for a bag, 100-pound fertilizer. Depends on the one that you use. And we have to pay $5,000 a day for labor work, plus lunch. So financially, it beat us bad.
In Maypen, the crop of contention is pumpkin, and plenty of it. Pumpkin vines sprawl heavy and green, their fruit fat and ready, dotting the field like scattered gold. The land has done its job. Every pumpkin full, firm, and fit for a table. But there are no buyers, no trucks, no voices bargaining at the farm.
So me have a 10-acre piece of pumpkin here, and no market feed, no market, just a few little higgler. Pass through now and then. So me just tell myself, say better me try sell it out to the government. Hospital, the prison, all them institution there. Then can just take it and just feed them.
Ironically, Hurricane Melissa helped his crop, bringing the water pumpkins need to grow, but prices are falling fast.
The last price when me get, it just derail from this and come back right at $130 right now. Anybody come with us sell out it for the $130 because it's going down, it's not going up back like where it is a couple of weeks.
Farmers say after months of labor and time, not even money is what's being wasted, and they're calling for stronger protection against imports, especially when local food is rotting in fields. At the Agriculture Ministry, Minister Floyd Green admits there is a glut and says help is on the way.
We are embarking on a series of targeted farmers market commencing this Friday across the entire island for the next few weeks, where RADA and our JS networks will work together to expand market access and support direct farmer to consumer sales. In fact, we are putting in a strategy to provide logistic support, which means transportation support to help the farmers get to the farmers market so that they can sell these excess items.
Additionally, the ministry through RADA will be engaging agro-processors to absorb excess production and finalize a new buyback program and improve storage. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.